Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about creating title blocks for shop drawings. Prepare the title block in any CAD platform to make it ready for importing into Comosys. Some points must be noted while preparing it, such as all texts must be in single line texts. All block must be exploded. Images must be converted to CAD format. Logo images will be prepared using CAD hatch patterns. We can use text fields to read data automatically from the Comosys model. These are the available text fields. Here you can see some more available text fields in Comosys. Once the content and format is ready, then we can save the title block in Dxf Format. This Dxf file can be saved in model folder directly for easy reference. Import the title block. Open the Layout Manager from the Drawings and Reports menu. Go to Dxf Templates tab and import the Dxf Format title block by clicking on Browse button. Select the type of Dxf. Give a name to it and add it to the list of templates. Next, select Layouts tab. Click on Assembly Layout. Then select required sheet size from Layout Names. And add the imported title block to chosen tables from available tables. Click on Update. And save to complete this step. Finally, open Assembly Drawings setting from Drawings and Reports menu to update the project information which will be showing in the title blocks. Select the required item settings from Multiple Settings tab, and then go to Layout tab. In the Layout tab, enter the project information in as required in standard fields. We can also use user-defined title block fields to additional information. To complete this step, go to Multiple Settings tab again and click on Save to selected setting. Click on Close. Now, let us create appropriate assembly drawing to see the templates and job information automatically appearing in it. Here you can see the templates and job informations, which we have created while generating assembly drawings.